Hello, my name is Julie, and I will be showing you how to use DEC Info Locator to identify potential environmental justice areas and disadvantaged communities for the WQIP and NPG grant programs. This tutorial will cover how to generate maps of the project location using DEC Info Locator, as well as how to obtain the census tract identifier for each potential environmental justice area, also known as PEJA, and disadvantaged community, known as DAC. In addition to this tutorial, there are written instructions provided on our Water Quality Improvement Project Program, WQIP, and Non-Agricultural Non-Point Source Planning and MS4 Mapping, NPG grant web pages. For the WQIP and NPG programs, points are awarded for projects that are either directly within or improve water quality to a PEJA or DAC area. Applicants for planning and implementation projects should use this tutorial to determine if their project meets any of the following conditions. If the project is within a PEJA or DAC and will improve water quality within a PEJA and DAC, is within the HUC-10 watershed of a drinking water source that will improve drinking water quality serving a PEJA or DAC, if the project is within a HUC-10 area and upstream of a PEJA or DAC, and finally, protects a PEJA or DAC that are within a dam failure inundation area. To get started, you will first navigate to the DEC Info Locator webpage. Scrolling down, you can click Launch DEC Info Locator, which will take you to this map. There are two panels on DEC Info Locator. The first on the right-hand side is a map of New York State, and on the left, a table of contents with various DEC informational layers. The primary panels that we'll use on the left-hand table of contents is the search bar to find project location, tools to help print, DEC information layers to show the layers on the map on the right-hand side, as well as reference layers. So to begin, we will search our project location. In this instance, we'll use 625 Broadway Street in Albany, New York, our central office location. Once you click on the correct address, the map will zoom in directly to the location typed in. So first, we'll want to go to DEC Information Layer and click on Public Involvement. This will display the potential environmental justice areas, shown with the hashed purple lines, and disadvantaged communities, shown in the solid purple. Once we click these layers on, we can then look at our project location. For this specific project location, it appears that it is directly within both potential environmental justice areas as well as a disadvantaged community. In this instance, if I were applying for WQIP or NPG, I would attach a PDF of this map to my application. To do this, you can click on Tools and click the Print button. You can then title your map. For this, we'll do Albany. And author, I'll just type my name. The printout template, I'll do an 8.5 by 11 portrait, but there are certainly other sizes available. Once I've finished the printout title and author information, I can then generate the map. This may take up to a minute to complete. Once completed, the map will be shown in a new tab in a PDF form. You should double check your map to ensure that the project location is properly shown. In this case it is. So I would then save this as a PDF and attach it to my WQIP or NPG application. For the WQIP and NPG programs, grants are not only awarded for projects within the potential environmental justice areas and disadvantaged communities, but also those that are demonstrated to improve water quality within a HUC-10 area. In this example, the project location was put in the town of Chazy. Seeing that this is not directly within the potential environmental justice or disadvantaged communities, we will have to look and see if there are any potential environmental justice or disadvantaged communities proximal to the project. By zooming out and scrolling through the web page, we can see that there is in fact a potential environmental justice area here shown in the hashed lines over the town of Champlain. To determine if this would have positive impacts to water quality within the same HUC 10 area, we'll have to turn on the HUC 10 layer. To do this, we'll look at reference layers. Using reference layers, we can add cities, towns, or villages if relevant to you. And then under DEC information layers, under environmental monitoring, you can scroll down and click on the hydrologic unit code HUC 10 layer. Since this is a larger watershed area, you will have to zoom out until you see the blue lines show up outlining the HUC 10 watershed area shown here. Since Lake Champlain flows north and this project is upstream of a potential environmental justice area, an applicant should include this map with their application to be awarded points for the potential environmental justice and disadvantaged community benefits points. Thank you for watching our tutorial on using DEC Info Locator to locate potential environmental justice areas and disadvantaged communities. If you have any questions on this tutorial or other questions about the WQIP or NPG programs, you can contact us at user.water@dec.ny.gov.